So let's say you want to pick just some of the lines from this article, and normally you would select the sentence or lines you would need. You can either right click on the area and hit copy, or just simply hit Ctrl C and V. Then you can head back to any app where you want to paste your data, right click, paste only the text, and I can go back to the website or article and I can select the next lines I want to copy. But it's not efficient at all. Let me show you a trick. First, go to your Windows settings page, then choose System, the left hand side from the menu, scroll down and choose Clipboard. And here we go, you can turn on and off a clipboard history for your Windows. What does it mean? It will remember actually for everything you copied on your clipboard. Now I turned on, I'm going to close my settings, I go back to the article, I'm going to select this line, then I'm going to select this line, and let's choose another one, copy, then I go back to my Word document, right click, I hit the paste, and it pastes only the last thing I copied from the website. But if I hit the Windows V, then it will show me the clipboard and it will show me the results I copied from the website. I can select the value I want to paste, and here we go, Windows V again, and I can select the other one. If you want to remove something from your clipboard, you just simply move your mouse over the value you want to remove, select the three dots, hit delete, you can even pin it or you can clear your entire clipboard. But if you go back to the settings page and you turn off the clipboard history, then it will automatically delete all the records it made. I hope you like it and it will simplify your work life.